Barely a couple of months ago, the overwhelming consensus view that followed the August plunge was for expectations that the 6-year stocks bull market was finally over, killed off by the China crash and prospects for Fed tightening. Nevertheless, the end times apocalypse was now, and such bearishness was not just being voiced by the usual suspects, i.e. the crash is always coming Perma crowd, but even included those who may have been mostly bullish, from time to time at least, with statements such as there was now a 99.7% probability that stocks were in a bear market. Again, it is important to realize that the prevailing bearishness goes well beyond the usual suspects, counting even the usually bullish amongst their number that apparently still persist to this very day. So exactly how has this 99.7% probability stocks bear market been progressing over the past couple of months? Have we seen the Dow stocks bear market collapse become manifest? Has the Dow's decline doubled on its 15% August low of 15,370? Well, the trend since the end of September has not quite matched the overwhelming expectations for doom and gloom in October, the month for crashes, as the Dow has relentlessly climbed a wall of worry all the way to the Dow's latest close of 17,915, turning positive for the year and recouping all of the plunge that took the Dow down to the August 24th low, some 2,500 points higher than when the bears were busy proclaiming that the end was nigh, and now standing less than 2.5% away from its all-time high of 18,351. So reality is not quite matching the mass of bearish rhetoric, as the stocks bull market appears to be aborting another premature bear market. My in-depth update of mid-September in a 6-year-long stocks bull market series concluded in a trend forecast for the Dow to briefly rally into mid-September before continuing its correction into October, before setting the scene for the Dow to rally by some 20% to over 18,000 before the end of this year. The latest close of 17,915 puts the Dow positive for the year against 17,823 and within touching distance on my year-end target range of 18,000 to 18,100. Therefore, the stock market is clearly showing relative strength, which implies that my bullish forecast objective looks set to be achieved significantly earlier than expected, which means that the Dow looks set to make a new all-time high before the end of this year, i.e. to trade above 18,351 during December. Furthermore, I have had a good idea the picture that the Perma bears would be painting as they continue to scramble after what they see as an implausible, impossible rising stock market when it should be collapsing, crashing, and worse, that of a persistent expectations for the bear market patterns such as the head and shoulders pattern to morph into one of a double top. So again we'll blindly cling on to the bear market is coming mantra all the way to a series of new all-time highs, just as they have done during every correction of the past 6 years. While it is too early for my in-depth analysis and detailed trend forecast for the Dow for 2016, however, a brief reminder of my long-standing view illustrates that nothing so far has transpired that implies that 2016 will not also turn out to be another bullish year for stocks for the 7th consecutive year, let alone the probability that stocks could continue marching higher for several more years, as I alluded to in my February 2013 Stock Stealth Bull Market 2013 and Beyond ebook that can be downloaded for free from the Market Oracle website. And now, over 2.5 years on from the then Dow, 13,992 level, Dow 20k during 2017 appears very probable. So what then for the perma bear crowd for the whole of 2016 and into 2017? Ensure you're subscribed to this YouTube channel for ongoing in-depth analysis and concluding detailed trend forecasts, including the prospects for the stock market for 2016.